Hello, dear artists, and warm welcome to my channel. Today we're creating a glowing sunset scene on a black canvas. A peaceful moment where golden light touches the water. Soft grasses sway in the warm breeze, and distant trees fade beautifully into the background. Let's begin our painting. First, using a large flat brush, I mix yellow and a little red to create a rich orange tone. I gently apply this color to the upper section of the canvas, and as I move slightly downward, I brighten the mix by adding more yellow. I repeat the same warm blend in the lower part of the canvas, making sure the colors transition smoothly. Near the horizon line in the distance, I darken the tone by adding a touch of red and black. I use this darker mixture to paint the bushes and trees along the water's edge. Then, using a deeper tone, I lightly shape the land beneath them to add stability to the scene. Next, I place warm red and orange highlights on the tops of the trees to show the glow of the sunset gently spreading across them. With white and a hint of yellow, I paint the sun, softening its edges with tiny tapping motions to create a hazy halo that suggests a strong, radiant light. I then pull the same golden tone across the water in horizontal strokes to form the reflection. After that, I add a brighter layer in the center to make the reflection shine even more. I return to the trees and add extra highlights to define their shapes and enhance the depth. Then, with an even lighter mix, I reinforce the brightest part of the sun's reflection on the water. In the foreground, I paint the tall grasses that glow under the sunlight. Using a medium fan brush, I shape the clusters, then switch to a thin liner brush and a dark, thinned color to create the slender stems, bending naturally from side to side. Painting, for me, is a form of meditation. When I start painting, I completely lose track of time. It's like everything else fades away, and it's just me and the canvas. In those moments, I feel free, calm, and fully present. Finally, with a very small brush and a bright highlight mixture, I touch the edges of the grasses to make them shimmer in the sunset light. I finish by adding the final small details, and our warm, glowing sunset painting is complete. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this painting, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment. Your support means a lot.